Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty World at War multiplayer step by step. Begin by setting control sensitivity and button mapping, then pick a low ping server region and build a balanced loadout focused on mobility and accuracy. Prioritize a primary weapon you can aim well with, add a reliable secondary, and choose perks that support your playstyle. Learn spawn awareness, map flow, and team communication quickly. Start by testing primary weapons in a private match to learn recoil patterns and effective ranges. Balance attachments between accuracy and mobility, and use a secondary that covers close quarters. Assign perks to reinforce your role, such as movement perks for aggressive play or stealth perks for flanking. Don't forget grenades and tactical equipment for objective control, and swap gear when maps or modes change to stay effective. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more step-by-step guides. Quick recommendation: a handy Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long sessions and fits well next to your controller. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Observe each map to memorize choke points, ideal camping spots, and common flanking routes to anticipate enemy movement. Use cover and strafing to expose yourself less when crossing open areas, and hold advantageous sightlines rather than charging blindly. Adapt your route based on the objective, support teammates during pushes, and call out enemy positions. Consistent map knowledge beats raw aim when planning rotations and defensive holds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.